Hey guys, Clay here for another Riff in a Minute. And lately, I've been hearing the awesome remix of this week's song, played on the Battlefield 1 trailer by the Glitch Mob. So I thought it was a great time to have a look at this request and check out Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. So this song is essentially made up of 3 parts. I've got all 3 parts in this video, so if you want to play along with the entire song, check the description below and I'll have listed how many of each part to play. But you probably want to get learning the riff, so grab your bass, start the clock, and let's get playing. Okay, have you got the hang of it? As always, hit the like and subscribe buttons and let me know in the comment section what riff you guys want me to do next time. Until then, play, practice, and play some more.